Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Erica and I am a little sick as I record this video, so I'm sorry if I sound a little nasally, if I make some weird noises, but I didn't want to miss this opportunity to talk to you about Shapermint. Shapermint extended their Black Friday sale, and so I wanted to go over with you some of the essentials that you need to get to look beautiful and confident this holiday season. There are several Shapermint staples that I have in my closet that I absolutely love, and I really can't live without them anymore, and I wanted to talk to you about them because during this sale you can snag some really good deals on top of using my 20% off code. I just purchased a bundle set for my mom of the bras. She absolutely loves them, and that's the first thing that I'm going to talk about in today's video. The bras that you need in your life are the Daily Comfort Wire-Free Shaper bra, the best bra ever, and this is what it looks like. I absolutely love this bra. I've talked about it in almost every Shapermint video that I've done. It is the best bra ever. There is no wire. It is wire free, so it is foldable, as you can see. There's no wire in it at all, and I love this because I was just remembering yesterday, my entire life I've worn bras with wire in them, and I always had a bruise here on the side of my boob from the wire. Even though it was sewn into the bra, it always irritated me, and I noticed yesterday that that is gone. I don't have a bruise on my boob anymore, so I'm so excited about that because it was injuring me. Those bras were actually injuring me, and that does not happen with this bra. It is so comfortable. You can sleep in it. I'm somebody that wears my bras 24/7, even though I know that I've been told that that's not a good thing to do. That's just something that I do, something that I feel comfortable doing, and this bra is so comfortable. It's like wearing a pajama. I highly recommend it. And if you buy these bras, I recommend that you buy them in a bundle because you get more for your money. So in the bundle comes 3 bras. Here's 1, 2. I have one on right now. You can get them in nude, black, and white, or you can get them all black or all white. And the reason why it's good to buy it in a bundle is because you save a lot more money, and I have that written down here. If you buy the bra alone, not in a bundle, it's $26.99. And then you get the 20% off with my discount code, so that comes out to $21.59, which is still a good bra because a lot of name brand bras are a lot more expensive than that. But if you buy it in a bundle, the bundle is $53.99, 20% off with my discount code. So you get the bundle at $43.19. Plus, Shapermint is giving away $1 million of free shapewear right now. So if your order is $50 or more, you get some free shapewear. So that is an amazing deal. So with this bundle, you're able to get the free shapewear, which are the Shapermint Shaping Tights. I love the tights. I've talked about those before too. So you'll get those for free, and the bundle will cost you $43.19. And that puts you at $14.39 for the most amazing bra ever. So it is an amazing deal. Definitely think about buying it in a bundle if you're thinking about purchasing these bras, because you will get a lot more for your money. You'll be all set up. You'll have all the colors you need, black, white, and nude. This bra is amazing. I just cannot say enough about it. My mom, I ordered her the bundle. I gave her one of my extra bras that I had, and she called me and she said, this is the most comfortable bra ever. She loved it, and I know that she's been searching for something to wear that's comfortable because she complains about the same things, that, you know, it hurts sometimes, the wire, or just finding the right bra can be hard sometimes. But if you try this bra, I promise you will look no further because it is the best. Yesterday I was doing laundry, and I had to wash my bras, so I put on an old bra that I had, and I hated every second of wearing it. I wanted to take it off. I could not wait to put on my Shapermint bra. My bra straps were falling because that's what happens when I wear bras that are not Shapermint. They fall off my shoulders no matter how tight I put them. I don't know if my shoulders are narrow. I think I really do have small shoulders. So everything just falls off. These don't have anywhere on them that you can adjust them. They just kind of stay up, and I never have that problem with these bras. and I absolutely love that about the bras too. Most of the day I was kind of like, I'm not dealing with it, I'm just leaving them down there, and it was a pain in the butt, to say the least, to have them just constantly just falling off my shoulders. So I really, really, really love the Shapermint bra. If you want to watch any of my other videos, I'll get more into detail about why I love these bras, but this is definitely one of the items that needs to be on your list. So let's go ahead and get into the next item. Okay, the next item is also one of my faves, something that you definitely have to have in your Shapermint collection, and that is the scoop neck cami. And this is it right here. This is in the color nude, and I'm actually wearing it right now in my video. This is the color black. When you're ordering your Shapermint, make sure to pay attention to the size chart. When I ordered initially, I went by the size chart and I got the extra large, and this fits perfectly fine. The second time I ordered this black one, I sized down to a medium, and I love the way the medium fits, and I did this on purpose because I wanted to see how the sizes ranged, like how much you could stretch it out. So obviously the medium fits me really well. I don't feel like I can't breathe in it. I really like the size medium, but the size large is what was recommended to me. So I definitely would go with what is recommended to you, and then if you purchase again and decide that you want to size down just to test the waters, then definitely do that. The scoop neck cami is something that you definitely want to have in your Shapermint collection, and that is because it is so versatile. You can wear it alone, you can wear it under a cardigan like I am today, you can wear it in the winter, you can wear it in the summer, you can wear it under a shirt, under a dress, you can just wear it any way that you want. And I feel like the versatility is true with just about any Shapermint item. Shapermint can be worn any way that you want, and that is the beauty about this product line. This cami does have adjustable straps, so you will be able to adjust them accordingly. The bra does not have adjustable straps, it just comes as is, but I have not found any problems with that. So this one you can adjust if you need to. It just gives you 360 degrees of coverage. It smooths out the lines on your back, it smooths out your waist area, and just tucks you in nicely. The length of it does go down to about the upper part of your leg, so your whole torso is covered with this particular piece of shapewear. If you want to know the price on this cami, it sells for $19.99, and with the 20% discount it's $15.99, so that's a great deal. I didn't find any bundles for the camis, but I do know that they have a section on the webpage where you can find different types of bundles, and they do have a bundle with a cami and a tank cami, which I've never tried, but that bundle is $34.99, so you can try out this one and then their tank top cami, which I'm actually interested in that because I love to wear tank tops. So let's talk about their high-waisted shaper panties. These are amazing. I love them. Same thing, they all have the same idea in mind. The silicone band here does not ride down, high-waisted so that it is covering all of the areas that need the smoothing and tightening for you. It also has the back here, see the design, to help with that booty shaping. So these are amazing, and I love these. These you can wear alone, underneath your pants, shorts, dresses. Nobody will ever know you have them on. It'll be a huge secret, and even you yourself will not know that you have them on because they are so comfortable. You don't have to worry about pulling them up or them riding down on you like this when you sit down. They will stay in place. Also too, when you go to the bathroom, you don't have to worry about pulling something down that is so tight and that you can't take it off. That's happened to me with some shapewear. Didn't even want to go to the bathroom because I didn't want to deal with having to take it off. Don't have to worry about that with any of the Shapermint shapewear because it is so easy to put on and to take off. They don't make any noise, as I mentioned. They're so soft. Like, I'm just touching them here and I don't want to stop touching them. So these are nice if you just want to use these as your shapewear and nothing else, but you can also layer other pieces of shapewear on top of it, like the cami, your bra, of course. There's just so many ways to wear Shapermint, and it all depends on what you feel comfortable doing and what your needs are for the day. So if I'm just going to be home going to the grocery store, picking the kids up from school, I may just want to wear these. But if I am going to a function, like a baby shower, a work function, I may want to layer it on a little bit more. And that is the beauty about Shapermint. There is no wrong way to wear it. So let's talk about the price of these panties. They are $19.99, and with the discount they come out to $15.99. So that is not a bad price considering you're getting your panties with some shapewear built into it. The next thing that you want to have in your Shapermint collection are the boy shorts. These boy shorts are amazing. I love them because they are actually a good length. When you look at them, you might think, oh no, these might be too short to wear alone, but they definitely are not. You can wear them alone, or you can layer them underneath jeans, a dress, however it is you want. The nice thing about the boy shorts is that they also have the special silicone band, so these are not going to be riding down. They are going to nicely smooth your tummy and your back area. They also have a special cut to help with some booty shaping, so that's really nice as well. I feel like these are perfect to wear at home to look cute for your husband or your boyfriend. And I know I've said this before, but they really are amazing, and I love the Shapermint boy shorts, so you definitely don't want to miss out on this. The price on the boy shorts is $20.99, and with the 20% off discount that drops down to $16.79. Now that is a great deal because not only are you getting a great pair of shorts, it's also going to have the shapewear built into it, so you're getting 2-in-1, and I love them. I really do love them. The last thing that I'm going to talk about are one of Shapermint's best sellers, and that is their leggings. They do have different colors of leggings. I've tried the black and the green, and I love them both. I really do love the leggings. They are made out of a thick material. They will definitely keep you warm if that's something that you're concerned about. I know winter is here. They also have the silicone band here on the top, so they are not going to be riding down. They're high-waisted, so this will give you all of the smoothing effects that you need. Also have this really cute decorative band here on the side. I don't know if you can see that. So it dresses them up just a little more, so you can definitely dress these up or dress these down if you want to. And the front here is rounded, which goes more with the shape of our bodies. And so that gives you a more smoother look up front right here. And I really do like the leggings and recommend them. If you're looking for a really good legging that has the shapewear built in, these will definitely slim you out. The first time that I wore them, I took a couple of pictures with them on, and I was like, wait a minute, is that me? Because my legs looked completely slimmed out, and it almost didn't look like me, but it definitely was me. And that's the beauty about Shapermint, is that it really makes you see yourself in a different way in the body that you're already in. So definitely, if you're looking for a good brand of shapewear to wear, I highly recommend Shapermint. It is life-changing. I don't think I will ever wear another brand of shapewear because I just love this so much. And what I love about it too is that it's affordable. Let me give you the pricing on the leggings so that I can explain that to you a bit further. And I'm going to talk to you about them in a bundle because I think that is where you can get the best deal. In a bundle, you will get 2 pairs for $48.99. With the discount, it drops it down to $39.19, and you will get them for $19.59 each. That is just an amazing deal, and that's why I think that Shapermint is so affordable and attainable for anybody to use. It is an amazing product, and the price is right. I would say that for a product like this, it probably should cost a lot more, but it doesn't. So definitely, if you purchase from Shapermint, look into the bundles because you will get a lot more for your money. But some stuff is not available in bundles, but they do have different types of bundles that they've created. There's another bundle that I'm really interested in, and it is 2 items. It's the leggings, and then they're capri leggings, which I love capri leggings because I'm 5'2", and sometimes leggings are a little too long on me. So this bundle is $38.99, and then it drops down to $31.19 with the discount that I have available to you. So that puts it down at $15.59 for the leggings, and then for the capris. So that's a bundle that I'm extremely interested in. I really would love to try out their capris. So hopefully I can do that soon for you. So the items that I've talked to you about today are the items that I think are a great way to get a start with Shapermint. If you are the type of person that's a little weary to buy something before you try it on, definitely don't be afraid of that. Shapermint does give you free exchanges and returns within 60 days. Aside from that, they just have amazing customer service, and I personally have dealt with customer service one time in the past, and it was a really good experience. So if you get the bra in, decide it's not for you, you can definitely exchange it or return it within 60 days. So it's really no hassle. You can test the product, try it on, wear it. If you decide that it's not for you, you can send it back in. But I guarantee you, you will not do that. You will love your Shapermint. So I'm going to go ahead and link down below in my description box the discount code and then the link to get to the website. That way you can go in and check out these deals. I'm not too sure when the Black Friday deals end, but definitely run and check them out. That way you can get your free shapewear. They are giving away $1 million in free shapewear. And so that just says so much about Shapermint. They are such an amazing and giving company. And I'm sitting here powering through talking about Shapermint on a sick day because I really love this company, and I love what it does for women. It just empowers women and helps them feel beautiful in their own skin. So I really wanted to pass this message on to you. So I really hope that you all have a happy holiday with your family. Enjoy it to the fullest. And I will probably talk to you about Shapermint again sometime next year. So I will see you in the next one. Bye. And one more thing before I go, I'm going to insert some clips of how I've used Shapermint in my prior videos. That way you can get an idea of how versatile it is.
What I did to you, but here's my confession, it's the least I can do. You know I was trying, it was never enough. I needed somebody, but it got too much. And I know that I've got my problems, and sometimes I lay them on you, but chance to say it out loud. Pray for me while I pick up the pieces, turning things around, and maybe things will get better. So wait for me on the other side. I got you by my side. A million reasons for me to see clear, and you're in the middle, so I feel no fear. And I know that I've got my problems, and sometimes I lay them on you, but hear me out and give me a chance to out loud. Pray for me while I